great pleasure to announce today here that the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC will be in action on Canadian racetracks during the 2019 Nissan Micra Cup season.
This is a truck that is destined to make an impression. This is the new 2019 Ram Heavy Duty. Ladies and gentlemen, shown for the first time in North America, the 2019 Ram 1500 Warlock.
Making its Canadian debut, please join me in welcoming a prime example of these commitments, the Toyota Fine Comfort Ride concept. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 Prius all-wheel drive E.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to introduce, for the first time in Canada, the 7th generation of the quintessential all-wheel drive sedan, the 2020 Subaru Legacy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 2020 Cadillac XT6.
It is my pleasure to present in Canada for the first time the QX Inspiration concept.
Making its Canadian premiere today, ladies and gentlemen, the Mercedes-Benz EQC SUV.
Allow me to introduce the sportiest version yet, the new Panamera GTS. Ladies and gentlemen, the new 718 Cayman GT4 Club Sport.
I am thrilled to reveal a concept vehicle for the first time in Canada that epitomizes our vision for the future. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Lexus LF1 Limitless concept. We introduced Canadians to the first iteration of Lexus Safety System Plus back in 2017. And now the second generation is already featured on our hottest and newest member to the family, the Lexus US.
The first highlight I want to unveil together with you today is the all-new Audi Q3. I want to introduce to you the all-new Audi R8 Spider. It's going to be a new chapter in the history of Audi and the start of a new era.
This is a new way to drive with high-speed charging capabilities and with the full backing of a global dealer network. This is electric unleashed.
So
ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd now like to introduce to you to the all-new 2019 BMW Z4.
We're now very excited to show you a car that is making its Canadian debut and one we've been eagerly waiting for, the Jaguar F-Pace SVR.
It's my pleasure to present to you in its Canadian premiere, the Genesis Essential Concept.